Do you want to post your voice status on WhatsApp? You can add audio recording notes on WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to post voice status on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To post a voice status on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen of WhatsApp, tap on the Update tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Update tab, you will see your status and your friends' statuses at the top of the screen, along with the channels you follow in the channel list. Now, tap the pencil icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to create a new status. On the text status screen, look for a microphone icon in the bottom right corner. This icon is used to record your voice status. Press and hold the microphone icon to start recording your voice message. WhatsApp currently allows you to record up to 60 seconds per voice status. Release the icon when you're done recording. Before posting, you can listen to your recording by tapping the play button. If you want to change the background color of your voice status, tap the color palette icon at the top to choose a color that will appear behind your voice message. Once you are satisfied with your voice status, tap the send icon to share it with your contacts. Your voice status will now be posted, and your contacts can listen to it for the next 24 hours.